Hello everyone, it's me, Architect Louis Corpuz. I'm selling something. This is very important. You might need this. You can also give it as a Christmas gift to your loved ones. So let's go. Stay there, Ru. Here. Just wait, stay there. Here, you might fall. You go down there. I'm selling this Solein Snap-on for only 1,500 pesos kasi magpapalit kami ng brand. So, kung Solein kayo, may extra kayo. Solein Snap-on 1,500 pesos na. Walang laman ha. You can give it to the person you love. Okay, regalo nyo. Solein, wow. Yun. Thank you. More blessings to all of us.